So welcome back, guys. In this particular session, I'm gonna be dodging and burning and color grading specifically. Then I'll add a feel to the background to make the image pop a little bit. So firstly, play my dodge and burn action. I'm just gonna dodge and burn this image and speed ramp the rest, and color grade this image and paste it on the rest. Basically, that's all I'm gonna do. So play my dodge and burn action. Remember, you can get this in the link in the bio. If you want a video on how to install this and set it up in Photoshop, check my page, or I'm just gonna put a link in the description. So heading over to your bone, in your layer mask, you pick your brush to opacity 5%. Oh, that's good, and flow 100%. So you just zoom in. Remember, you're burning, so you just darken the dark parts to give it this feel. Remember, your foreground should be white, so just darken the dark part to give it this feel. Just minor changes before, after. Okay, we're good there. Small madam. So just work on the leg. You get me? Work on the leg. So go into your dodge. You work on this part. Okay. Then you work on this part. So you work on the face too. Just make everything pop quickly. So basically, I think that's it for this image. I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit. Work on this part. Work on this part. Work on this part more. Okay. So for the burning, I'm just gonna burn part of the background to give it a nice and even background. I'll burn here too. So dodge. Going over to my dodge. I don't know why it's so slow. My system is acting up, but I'm uploading a video over here though. I think there's a part 2. So okay, going over to my dodge. Okay, I'm just gonna dodge this part. Looking at the background, I'll dodge this part a little bit. I think that was all. Then the background is nice and even. It has this contrasty look to it. So going before and after. Yes, our skin is popping. Before and after, our skin is popping. The background looks good. So I'm not gonna do the rest and speed wrap it while doing the rest. So I'm not gonna waste much of your time. Yeah, peace out. So heading straight into color grading. First things first, I'm just gonna make my life easier by checking Joy's Ditch color pack and see if anyone will work for me. If not, I will create something of my own. So load 3D lot. Okay. I don't know, my stand is being slow, but desktop. Joy's Ditch, dark skin, chocolate skin tone. Let's see what one does for me. I think this one will work, but let's try the rest. I think number one will work with a reduced opacity. Oh, two is not so bad. If I should add this and a little bit of brightness, I think we're good to go. I think we're honestly good to go. But then at this, I'm just going to reduce it to like 50%, and the brightness is just a little bit 14. Then I'll go to my levels and add a bit of punch to this. After doing everything, I will Control G, select subjects. I think I want my color grading just to be on my subject. So once the subject is selected, oh, my stem is being slow. Once the subject is selected, I'll just put a layer mask on her. Then I'll paste it on this group. So you see, like this, it's just her that is being affected. It's just her that is being affected by the color grade. It's just her that is being affected by the color grade. So I'm just gonna add a punch to her dress. Yes, a punch to her dress. So I'm just gonna Control Z. I'm just gonna go to color lookup, color balancing. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna increase the magenta a bit. 14 is too much. I'll go with 10. On the shadows, I will increase the blues. 19 is too much. I'll go with 10. And on the highlights, I will add more reds to the highlights. 10 still, not 110. So this another why this is loading. So this adds more punch to the image in general. So I'm just gonna hold my alternate key and copy this layer mask here. Yes. Then while I'm here, I'm just gonna Control I and invert it. So now we have a popping background. So I'm just gonna a popping background. Does it pop a lot? So I'm just gonna reduce the opacity to maybe 50 or 60 is good. 60 is good. Then I'm just gonna add a general brightness and contrast to the entire image and make it pop. Okay, I think we're good to go. So from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, hue and saturation, photo filter, and I'll add cooling filter to it. And yes, use the opacity a lot. So 20%. This is good. So I'm just gonna put all this in a group. Control G. Okay, I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it here, and here. So I'm just gonna speed run the whole process, so I'm not gonna bore you guys out. So that's basically what I did for the color grading this image. Hope you guys learned a few. Peace out. So welcome back, guys. So that's it for the color grading. I just copied that particular effect and pasted on all of the other images to give you this look I'm looking for. So we could still add one more thing by reducing the saturation of the reds a little bit. Hue and saturation. Then we'll just holding our alternates and dragging it here, so it's just make the image general image come alive a little bit. Then we could now add a general hue and saturation filter to the whole image general, just to give it this punch. I think I like this. 15 is okay. 15 is okay. Yes, this is gonna be. So I'm just gonna head over to how I'm gonna make this background pop a little more. So I'm gonna go over to my Chrome and I will search clouds, and I'm gonna search clouds. So I'm just gonna go to image and pick an image that suits me. Any of these images online. This will work. Okay, I think we should go with this. It has some reddish feel to it and it's full. So okay, save image. So I'm just gonna save this, and I'm gonna import it into Photoshop immediately. Sorry guys, I know my system is slow. Import it into Photoshop. I'm waiting. Okay, it's coming. Core i7 for what? You need a Core i8. So basically we are shifted to the top and press enter. Okay, so Ctrl J, using our move to move this to the down, using our eraser tool to just on this. Okay, basically that's it. Maybe I'm just gonna okay, yeah. Ctrl Z on this one. I just blend it out a little bit. Oh god, not this. I will just blend it out a little bit so it's gonna fit. It doesn't really matter if the background is showing at this particular stage or not. Then I'm gonna Ctrl T for this and flip 180 degrees, and I'm just gonna drag it down. Okay, Control T, sorry. I'm gonna drag it up. So basically I'm gonna merge these two layers, Control E. Then I'm gonna bring, holding alternate key, I'm gonna bring this outrageous thing here. So now it looks like she's like it looks like she's like on top it. That's exactly what I want. So Control T again on this selection. I'm just gonna, sorry, before the layer marks disable, I'm just gonna Control T. Okay, then wrap. I'm just gonna okay, and bring this down. Okay, just creating this depth to it, like it's in a curved surface. I'm gonna press enter. So I'm gonna enable layer marks. Oh, I'm just gonna delete it. So I'm just gonna import it again. So now I look like if she's like cut out of the subject, you understand? So this, I'm just gonna reduce the opacity to like 10. Now it looks like if she's in clouds. She's in clouds. So let's see what we've done before, after. Before, after. It looks good to me. Before, after. So basically, that's what I'm going to do for this image, and this image. So let's off this too and see how it looks. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. Okay, I think I like this hue and saturation layer. I'm just ready to 60. So thank you so much, guys. This has actually brought us to the end of this video. So I'm going to be editing the rest of our images in the next part. So do it to like, subscribe, drop a comment for me if you feel I've done something wrong, or if you feel I should improve on my work. I always want to hear from you. Help me to get to 1,000 subscribers. If I'm already 1,000 subscribers, help me to get to 10,000 subscribers. If I'm already in 10,000 subscribers, help me to get to a million subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Peace out.